Hey guys, welcome back. Posty's just showed up and he's brought with him my new metal chassis to replace the plastic broken one on my monster truck. See, it's all cracked up, falling apart. So we're going to replace this stock plastic one with this upgraded aluminium one, and we'll see how it goes. I've done all the measurements, it should be alright, shouldn't have to drill any new holes in this. The only issue is going to be if the actual motor itself doesn't fit in that mount, we'll just have to machine that a little bit. But it should be alright. So I'm going to disassemble this, and then I'll put these back on when it's all apart, and I'll show you all the various parts that are inside one of these hobby grade sort of RC cars, just so you get an idea of how much there is actually to work on, even on these cheaper ones. But yeah, so put this chassis on and disassemble all this, and then we'll give it a test and we'll see how it goes. I don't know how much weight this is going to add, but guess we'll find out. Alright, I'll put these back on after I've taken all of this apart, because it's going to be a really long, boring thing to watch. So, put these back on in a minute. Okay guys, it's coming along. We're getting parts on. Got the engine mounted in, it fits nice and snug. That's the one part I was worried the most about. This part here though, I've got no idea how to get this little servo arm pin thing out, so I might have to shave down the side of that so I can get a grip on it a little bit better. But yeah, we've got all the parts, we're getting there. It's almost complete. So, put yours back on when I've got some more done, and I'll give you something else to show you. Alright, bit of a lengthy process, but done it. New chassis on there, everything is in and set. We'll take it for a test drive and we'll see how well the new chassis does. Actually, I think it looks pretty good actually. Not an upgrade I'd recommend doing, it's very tedious, and honestly it's longer than a lot of people would give it credit for or think it is. There's just a few little finicky things when going from a plastic chassis to a metal chassis that are a little bit annoying. Here's the old one. It's nice and ruined and old and have a lot of love on it. So we'll scratch this one up, we'll scrape this one up. I'm sure we'll give this one as much hell as we used to give the old one. Alright, I'll put these back on when I'm driving it and see how it goes. And got the monster truck with the new metal chassis on it. Let's see if it affects any of the performance. Oh yeah, that goes good.